crees?
Yes, sir. We got the first one of the afternoon. Today is October 23rd. It's almost my birthday. No, they're not good.
I'm like, really? You got me going.
Faltan 10 months. Anyway, Beto got the first trout. Yep. It is October 23rd, 6:12 p.m. Getting close to sunset. Trying to see if we can get something else going here. Oh, snap. Shit, I'm over there. Let me get the net. I will. I'm going. No, pues ya voy. Ahora la voy a agarrar.
Sí, viene para vos, man. No, he broke from the mouth, but the other one is, the other trouble is on the...
Woo! Oh, that's a beauty.
Vamos, porque ya se me tola de...
Manny.
And you got it. Wow.
Ooh, yeah. I got it. Déjale doy. Yeah. All right, awesome. At 6:22, Beto got the next.
Was it la camera?
Yeah, it's rolling. Boom! Right there. Beautiful sunset right there.
I don't have to say a word, man. Look at that.
Falling sick.
Boom.
Ooh, yeah. It's a beauty. Pizzas are. There you go.
Where is it, Mike?
Oh, it's because it's on the other side. Pero como quiera, you're still being recorded.
No, I want it on my side.
There you go. Still fine. There you go. You're still there. There.
No, it's yours. Ya le diste el 360. Ya me habías pasado. Dale.
Oh.
Dale, dale más.
Chihuahua, hombre.
Ahí está.
You're still there.
Okay, now guys, look at this one. 22-incher. Top water.
Beautiful.
Boom.
I'm not a skunker.